We are looking at chord inversions in the key of D. So this is your scale in the key of D. I assume that you already know this, because before you learn your chord inversions, you want to make sure that you learn the scale in the key of D. Otherwise, what I'm going to show you, it won't make sense. First, make sure that you learn your scale in the key of D, and then from there, we're learning the chord inversions. So this is gonna be your root chord, so 1. This is your first inversion. This is your second inversion. Then we're moving along, we're going to 2. This is your root chord. The root chord of 2. Sorry. No, actually, I'm right. Yeah. First inversion. Second inversion. Okay, let's move on to 3. Root chord. First inversion. Second inversion. Root chord. We're still in the key of D. We're on 4. This is your note. And then your first inversion. And then your second inversion. Root chord, we're on 5. Root chord of 5. First inversion. Second inversion. Second inversion. Okay, moving on, we're going to 6. Root chord. Second inversion. This is your second inversion. This is your first inversion. This is your second inversion. This is your chord. We are on 7. First inversion. Second inversion. Okay, let's do them again, and this time I'm gonna try to be more slower so that you get everything that I'm demonstrating here. Root chord. First inversion. Second inversion. Root chord, we're on 2. First inversion. Second inversion. Moving along, going to 3. Root chord, we are on 3. This is your note. And then this is your first inversion. This is your second inversion. Root chord on 4. First inversion. Second inversion of 4. Remember, we're using the numbering system. Root chord of 5. First inversion. Second inversion. So look at 6. Root chord, we're on 6. Root chord of 6. First inversion. Second inversion. Let's do that again. Root chord on 6. First inversion. Second inversion. The last one, 7. Root chord 7. First inversion. Second inversion. Alright, that was your last note in the key of D, 1 up to 7. Now you learned each note's inversion. You learned you already knew the root chord of 1. Now you learned both the first inversion and the second inversion of each chord that now that you learned. So let's see how we can use those inversions to play a song, right? Let's do Yeshua. I'm using chord inversions to play the song. Okay, let me break it down. So I'm using the second inversion of 4. So this is your root chord, remember? And this is your second inversion, but I'm playing it here. So I'm using the second inversion of 5. Remember, this is your root chord of 5. First inversion, second inversion, but now I'm playing it here. And I'm also using the second inversion of 6. Remember, this is your root chord, first inversion, second inversion. So Yeshua. Let me play my root chord, Yeshua. Root chord of 5. I use both root chords. It's still the same thing. Let me use the first inversion, Yeshua. Still the same things. I'm still within the same, song progression. So this is how you use your chord inversions. Yeah, I hope this helps, and yeah, please use this on on a lot of songs, if not all your songs. They just make the sound of your playing more nicer, instead of just using your root note or root chords for every song. Sometimes it can get boring, but then when you have more than one way of playing your note, it makes it sound more nicer, right?